You got the hiccups, baby? Hmm. I know, I hate them. I hate them. I shouldn't be laughing, but you're just so damn cute.